In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metafields in Shopify. If you've ever wanted to store extra details that don't fit the default product fields like materials, care instructions, a warranty period, or a custom-sized chart, metafields are the perfect solution. They let you define structured, reusable fields that you or your team can fill in later, and they keep your catalog consistent and easier to manage. Start by heading to Shopify's website and sign into your store. On the login screen, choose the option that works best for you, email, or one of the available single sign-on methods. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're entering the right one so your new metafields end up in the correct place. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand panel and open Settings. This is where you configure store-wide preferences. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top to type Metafields. From the results, select Metafields and Meta-Objects. Metafields are the custom fields you add to existing resources, like products and orders, while Meta-Objects are more like reusable content types. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on Metafields. On the Metafields page, choose the part of your store you want to enhance. For most people, that's products, but you can also create metafields for product variants, collections, customers, and more. Selecting products sets you up to add a field that will appear across all product records, so you can keep your data structured and uniform. Click Add Definition to create your new metafield. Think of a definition as the template for a field. It describes what the field is and what kind of data it accepts. Give it a clear name that teammates will understand, like materials, care guide, or release date. Shopify will generate a namespace and key behind the scenes. You can keep the defaults or customize them if you follow a naming convention. Next, choose the content type. For example, use single line text for a short label, date for a release date, number for a warranty length, file for a PDF care guide, or reference if you plan to link to another resource. Add an optional description to guide editors and set validation rules such as character limits or allowed formats to keep data clean and consistent. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new metafield definition is now available on the corresponding resource pages, ready for you to enter values. Later, you can surface these values in your theme or use them in filters and workflows to enrich your storefront and operations.